Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch.
Attack!
Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk.
Oh, there you go, there you go, there you
You're a
go.
rotter.
Yeah, look at that. He's posing.
You're the
Oh, you're recording it?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. It's just in my head.
tomato sprout with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap.
Attack, Otis.
The most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable. Mangled up, tangled up knots.
You know, I recorded you saying that.
With the nauseous super nos. You're a crooked, jerky chicken, and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a three-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich
Attack, Otis.
with arsenic sauce.
I love you, buddy.
I think he's dead there.